Good morning, all. Today we'll discuss balanced chemical equations. Here, one principle is used, that is called conservation of mass. Means the amount of the reactants taken will be equal to the amount of the products, or the mass of the reactants will be equal to the mass of the products. In other sense, we can tell it that number of atoms of each element in the reactants will also be equal to the number of atoms of each element in the products. Let us balance the equation burning of magnesium in the air. We have magnesium plus oxygen giving rise to MgO, magnesium oxide. Here we can clearly see that there is one atom of magnesium in the left side, two oxygen atoms in the left side, but one atom of magnesium in the right side, and also one atom of oxygen in the right side. So we have to balance that one. So what will you do? We are only allowed to multiply the formulas. So we'll put 2 here to balance 2 oxygens. Further, we find that in the left side there is only one magnesium, so we can multiply 2 with the magnesium. Just now check, the equation is balanced. This is a balanced chemical equation. We can go for another equation, reaction of iron with water. gives rise to giving rise to Fe3O4 plus H2. One trick is used here. We can always go for balancing of oxygen first. See, in the right side there are 4 atoms of the oxygen, so we can multiply 4 here. So check, oxygen is now balanced, but think about the hydrogen. It is 8 hydrogen atoms in the left side, so we can go for multiplying 4 in the right side with the hydrogen. Now see, the hydrogen is balanced, only iron is remaining. So in the right side we find there are 3 atoms of iron, so we can multiply 3 in the left side with iron, and now our equation is balanced. Let's check. See, the number of atoms in the left side, iron it is 3, hydrogen it is 8, oxygen it is 4. In the product side also, see, iron 3 atoms, hydrogen 8 atoms, and oxygen 4 atoms. So in both the sides, as the number of atoms of each element are same, Now the equation is balanced. In a chemical equation, we can always put the state of the material or the reactants and products. So here we can write this is solid, this is gaseous because steam is used, again this is solid, and hydrogen is gaseous form. For hydrogen we can also write the symbol like this. Upper arrowhead means it is gas. Sometimes the external conditions like pressure is also mentioned. Here we can find that carbon monoxide is in the gaseous form, hydrogen also in the gaseous form, but methanol CH3OH it is in the liquid form. Again it is given 340 atmospheric pressure.